Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install or stop Windows Media Player network sharing services in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to start or stop Windows Media Player network sharing service in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start tab here, Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Here select large icon and click on Administrative Tools. And here click on Services. Here select Windows Media Player. Here Windows Media Player network sharing. Right click. If you want to start, so click on Start. And if you want to stop, so right click on Stop. That's so guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to stop or start Windows Media Player network sharing services in Windows 10 PC and laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for latest update.